In this video, we're going to set up automatic notifications for a specific use case. We'd like to send a notification at the end of each month with a list of resource qualifications expiring within the next month. The first step in building many automatic notifications is to set up a report. The design for this report will be the content of your notification. For our query, we're going to look at resource record items. We'll need the expiration date. The rest of the properties are what we want to include in our notification, like issue date and resource name. They're completely optional. We only want to receive information about the recurrent training record item, so we'll add that to the condition. Additionally, we'll need two parameters to represent today and a month from today. Remember what you name these parameters, as it will be important later. Lastly, we'll add these parameters to the condition, ensuring we'll only see record items expiring between the day the notification is sent and 1 month later. Next, we'll create what we want our notification to look like from the Design tab. Drag in your desired fields and add some style. Now that we have a report, we need to create an event handler to fill the parameters of that report and send the resulting notification. Create a timer event handler that runs monthly. We'll set the start date to the end of the month, so the event handler will trigger at the end of every month. Make sure to activate the event handler. The first action we'll add is Date Utilities. It'll grab today's date when the event handler is triggered. The date calculation action will take today's date from the previous action and add 1 month. Now that we have both our report parameters, we'll add the execute report action. Select the report you created. We need to reference the value for both of our parameters. The order should match your report query. Next, we'll add the parameter mapping, separated by a semicolon. This is where your parameter names will come into play. Lastly, configure a send notification action. Define recipients through direct selection, IDs, or requirements. Define a notification subject and select whether you want the notification to be internal, within Mint, external, sent to the resource's email, or both. For the message body, we need to select the report content generated from the execute report action. You're now ready to start receiving automated notifications about expiring record items. This specific use case is only the start of what you can do with a report and an event handler. All sorts of notifications are possible. For more information on automatic notifications, visit your Mint manual.